right? Then plug in x and y into the equation.
I do.
Right, then plug in x and y. Yeah, perfect. Right, then combine what's in the parentheses and multiply. Then divide and plug it back in.
She's already doing little flowers on her face. That's how good of she is. You gotta slow down. You gotta slow down.
Hint, this one will be a fraction as well. Mm-hmm.
So when we put it in the y equals a thing, is there a certain order that the x?
What Kayla just asked, is there a certain order that the x's need to go in? No, there is not. Right? I've been putting them left to right just so that we can keep them, so it's easy for y'all to keep track of what I'm doing. But no, it does not matter the order.
This is crazy. It's crazy. Don't believe me. This is supposed to be zero. No, you know that's because yours command yes, so I just
Okay, the first one should
I feel like this.
X is 0. All the x's are 0. 0, 3. Plus 2.
What do you get negative?
Down here, 0 plus 2, 0 minus 1.
Oh. I forgot. I completely forgot about that.
Exactly. X should be 0, y should be 3. All right, good.
Would it be almost the
All
same
right,
as the
divide by
other
6.
Always zero.
No, it doesn't depend on all the practice problems, but the last one we did number 2, it was 1. Alright. 3 divided by 6.
No, what's in our
Actually, positive 1 half. Negative times negative is positive. Okay, you gotta wake up. Right? Plug in correct things. Right, plug in 0 for x. 3 for y, that's right. But plug in 0 for x. Okay, what did you get for a? 1 half, right? Should be positive 1 half. That's what I got, okay? X was 0, y was 3 on this one. Right? It doesn't have to always be the y-intercept. I think on the practice it is. That makes it easy if it's smaller numbers. Okay? If it's really big numbers, it makes the math a little bit more difficult. Right? So these are pretty easy. Okay, so I got y equals 1 half, x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. It should have been a positive 2, negative 1, negative 3, 2 negatives, make a positive. I know I saw several people getting a negative there, but it should be a positive.
You have tissue in this car.
Right, I do right back here in the screen cabinet on the right hand side in the middle shelf.
Where did you get the other 6 from?
All right, where did I get this 6 from?
Is this supposed to be a negative 2?
Right, we're dividing by whatever's next to A.
Is this supposed to be a negative 2?
Oh, so you did
Right, no, it's a negative 2 up here, so it makes it positive over here. We changed the sign of all of those.
So what do
Right, divide by whatever's in front of A. All right. Anything that you haven't turned in? Okay. Okay.
So you did, so the 6 is divided by the 7?
Yes. whatever's with the A, you divide by that. That divides by itself every time. Okay, the next, okay, so those three are if they give you a graph, how to get the equation. Okay, and we don't have to multiply those out. They're fine the way they are. Okay, the next two, the last two, we're going to use tables. Okay, and the instructions are use differences to determine degree and write a function that fits the data. Okay, so the first three were graphs. The next two, the last two of our notes are going to be using tables. Okay, so number 4, I'm going to use a sideways table. Okay, X is going to be on top, Y is going to be on bottom. Okay, and we'll do 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 4, 20, 5, 35, every class. All right, 6, 56, 7, and 84.
Every class.
Okay, so this is a sideways table. Okay, you know, if it's up or down, you still just find the differences between the Y. Okay, with the table, we can use the calculator to write the equation for us. Okay, and we can use stat.